Hello everyone, in this short video I'll show you how to quickly write a great script for your YouTube channel video using AI. First, open any neural network in the browser. I'll open the free version of ChatGPT. Next, copy the universal prompt that I have prepared for you. You will be able to copy it from the description below this video. Right here, insert the prompt. A prompt is a command for AI. Then click arrow. Then right here enter the description for your video topic. For example, I enter washing cats. Click the arrow again. Here we go. Awesome. It's very simple. We get a great script from the neural network for your YouTube video. I hope you like this video. Press the like button or subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.